दयार इश्क में अपना मकाम पैदा कर, नया जमाना नए सुबह शाम पैदा कर।
A journey across dimensions, a venture into space and time, a lesson from past, a step into future.
Documentary on redefining tomorrow.
Have you questioned? Are you curious? Have you crossed the mystical barriers? Have you figured out the intricate design of this universe? Its mysteries, its colors, its vastness, its beauty. Have you dreamt of stars?
Humanity's interest in the heavens has been universal and enduring. Humans are driven to explore the unknown, discover new worlds, push the boundaries of our scientific and technical limits, and then push further. This intangible desire to explore and challenge the boundaries of what we know and where we have been has provided benefits to our society for centuries. Curiosity and exploration are vital to the human spirit, and accepting the challenge of going deeper into space will invite the citizens of today and generations of tomorrow to join NASA on this exciting journey to space and further. The Earth is indeed beautiful. It is magnificent. It is worth exploring. It is the most habitable planet of our solar system. Mankind has loved the Earth. The Earth has loved mankind. All because of deforestation, industries, and of course pollution.
And as well as the fact that we have been fighting for so long, this needs to stop.
We need to leave this planet. We can't risk the lives of the entire mankind just over our planet. Because one day, this planet will no longer be ours. Mankind has been on Earth for billions of years by now. They have learned to adapt to this new environment. Humanity learned everything step by step, from cars to airplanes to rockets. And currently, we're at the satellite level. We are exploring the universe, but we need to find a place to live in after the demolition of planet Earth. Due to the increase in human population and the decreasing food supply, the Earth won't be able to sustain us anymore. The global warming and the greenhouse effect, especially, are dangerous signs for the extinction of human life. Because of the natural disasters, many of human life is passing away. Natural resources will not remain forever. Gold will stay for 120 years. Oil will stay for another 50 years. These resources are dying. We need to find a place as soon as possible. Despite cutting-edge research, vigorous expansion, and undying passion, mankind has yet to find a second home. Where can we go? The answer is plain and simple, and it has been in front of our eyes for so long. The answer is Mars. Brilliant minds at NASA and other space agencies have declared that mankind has yet to do a lot of research and have to take multiple leaps forward before declaring Mars as a habitable planet.
Let us have an insight on the question, why Mars? Why is that every curious mind has always favored Mars over any other celestial object? What is so intriguing about this red planet? Mars encompasses a little of the habitable zone of this solar system. Mars has a smaller size when compared with Earth, but it is owing to its distance from the Sun. NASA has already started the exploratory mission on Mars from the past several decades. A recent such mission took place between 2013 and 2014 called Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution, MAVEN. MAVEN returned with some solid answers of the planet's history. Its history revealed that the planet had Earth-like thick atmosphere, which it lost to space. Mankind's effort to terraform the planet would begin after the information has been completely revealed. Water is necessary to sustain life. Studies conducted on the image sent by NASA's probes revealed that on the surface there are certain areas which have hydrated salts. The frozen water does flow when the temperature of the surface changes. As it flows, it leaves marks known as recurring slope LINEAE, or in other words, RSL. Some old missions of NASA, like the Phoenix lander and the Curiosity rover, found that the planet is rich in its supplies of perchlorates, the importance of which needs to be evaluated. Nevertheless, other probes have sent back images of the two poles of the planet, with both poles, the northern and the southern, having polar caps with frozen water. Geographically, the planet bears a variety of seasons, owing to its good tilt. A day on Mars would last 37 minutes longer. The temperature, unfortunately, is not even near to suitable, like it's negative 63 degrees Celsius. The attempts to terraform the planet must focus on that. Measures must be taken to increase the temperature. Provision of a magnetosphere, making an artificial Earth-like thick atmosphere. Space. We have been exploring this space for decades, but why do we do it? It is so expensive. It causes a lot of fuel. Why should we do it, and why should we still do it in the future? What are the benefits of space? Why does space exploration matter to us? Asteroids. According to scientists, every 10,000 years, an asteroid the size of a football field smashes into Earth. It causes tidal waves, firestorms. We're talking about end of the world type stuff. Inventions. There are so many examples to why space exploration matters to us. Why it causes inventions. There is this thing called nitinol, a flexible resistant alloy that was supposed to be used in satellites. And guess what? Today it is used in braces. No, seriously, that's weird, right? That's me? Okay, whatever, never mind. Raw materials. There's gold, silver, and even platinum in the cosmos. But space matters don't have to go that far. Moon, for instance. Moon. It is a potential source for helium-3 and MRI, and as well as the other stuff that you find in electronics and solar panels. Aliens. And now something that everyone has been waiting for. Aliens. Still, half of the Americans still believe in extraterrestrial lives. So astronauts are still finding and searching for signs of life. This will answer the biggest question of all. Are we alone? I don't mean dating status, of course. Survival. Our Earth does have a lot of problems, like pollution, global warming, and even greenhouse effect. And as well as the fact that Earth has a carrying capacity of 8 to 16 billion people. And guess what? There are already over 7 billion of us. So that made futurists argue that we must colonize a new planet, and soon. So space does have benefits, after all.
Beyond the stars, there are even more worlds. There are still even more tests of passion. These expanses are not devoid of life. Here there are hundreds of other caravans too. Don't be contented with a world of color and scent. There are other gardens, other nests too. If a nest was lost, what's the grief? There are other places of sighing and lamenting. You are a falcon. Your task is to fly. Before you, there are other skies as well to cover. Don't remain entangled in this day and night, for you have other times and places too.